back to my channel. My name is Eva. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do my brows. Yes, so if you want to see how I do my brows, watch this video till the end. So for my eyebrows, I use about 6 or 7 different things. So I use my brow pencil. I use a brow pencil. I use a round brush. As you can see, is round. I use a mascara wand. I use a concealer, L.A Girl Concealer in fawn. I use a mattifier. This is the Rimmel Stay Matte Mattifier. And lastly, I use the foundation. This is Maybelline SuperStay foundation. Those are the things that I use for my brows. I groomed my brows off camera. Like, I don't know if you guys will be interested. I will record a video the next time I'll be grooming my brows so you all can see how I do it. Firstly, we'll be going in with my brow pencil. Guys, if you are in Nigeria and you don't have this pencil, like, what have you been doing? What have you been doing? This is Beautylinebydidi. Beautylinebydidi brow pencil in browgasm. It's a brown pencil. Like, this shade fits all. It's a one shade fits all kind of brow pencil. So what I do with this Rimmel Stay Matte Mattifier is to just apply a bit on my brows. Who's there? She has gone to do her hair. She's coming back. She's coming. Going to do her hair. Why do I do this? Because sometimes our brows tend to produce oil, and I wouldn't want my brows at the end of the day to get shiny. So that's why I'm using a mattifier to reduce the oil production on my brows. So after doing that, the next thing I do is to push my brow hair upwards. The first thing you want to do when sculpting your brow is to line your brows. So firstly, we're going to be lining these brows, and what you want to do is to follow the natural outline of your brow. Like, don't increase and don't decrease, you know, just follow the natural outline that your brows have, and then you get that perfect shape that you actually want. After lining the bottom part of your brow, next thing you want to do is to push down your brow hairs. And then, as you can see, there's an actual line at the top of the brow. So you just follow it. There's no point lining the beginning of your brows at the top. You don't want to start here. No. Where you want to start is, like, you go like 3/4 into your brows, and then you start from here. And then you brush back your hair upwards. And then if you want to, you can fill in your brows. But I like my brows looking very natural, so I'm not going to be doing a lot of filling. So yeah, you can actually go out like this if you want to, but I wouldn't want to go out like this, so I'm going to use my concealer to clean my brows. Before I use my concealer, I like my concealer brush to be very flat. So what I do is I use a piece of wipe and press my brush in, and then it gives it this sharp edge. When concealing your brows, you'd want to start from the edge of your brows. Then any excess concealer that is left there, just pull it down. And then you use your blending brush to blend in your concealer. There's no rush, just take your time. Now for the beginning of the brows, you are meant to use your foundation, or you could use a concealer, but make sure the concealer is your exact shade. Same thing applies when using your foundation. Why? Because we don't want this whitish look at the beginning of your brows. It gives it this awkward look. I hope you understand. So when you use your foundation, it makes everything look very natural and beautiful. Now one thing I sometimes do is I don't conceal the top of my brows. If I know I got the top of my brows correctly, like there's no error there, I actually leave it like this. But just for the sake of this video, I'm sculpting the top of my brows, just so you all will see how I actually do it. So for the top of your brows, guys, you don't want to use a concealer that is 2 shades lighter than you. No, you want to use a concealer that is your actual shade, or better still, use your foundation, because definitely your foundation is your exact shade, so you'd want to use your foundation. Now after doing that, you make sure you blend in whatever foundation is left. Make sure you blend it into your skin properly. I'm going to work on I'm going to work on this brow. Now, one quick tip: if you have a brow that actually gives you problem, you probably want to start with that brow actually. So that's just a very, very simple pro tip. Just look at these brows. So guys, this is actually how I sculpt my brows on a regular. So I hope you like this video. But come to think of it, have you subscribed? Like, you've gotten to this point in this video, have you subscribed to my channel? Have you liked this video? Wow. Please give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. I'm actually feeling my brows right now, like they're so beautiful. Let me know what you think, and I would also like to see what you come up with. I hope this video helped you in a lot of ways. If you want a particular type of video on my channel, please drop your video requests in the comment section, and I'm sure I will be reading through them, and I will definitely try to give you what you request. Yes. So this is it, guys. I'll see you in my next video.